Hey guys, it's been a little while, but I want to do a quick update for you. After careful consideration, instead of cutting all of the pieces of the wood for the traps, I decided to outsource here. So this is everything I need to complete the room. It was delivered today, cut over the last 2 weeks. It's still really cold here. All this stuff is in my garage, but I'm going to get to work over the next couple days. Should have a couple more update videos for you. The first thing I'm going to build is the membrane traps that go along the back wall. So thanks for hanging in there. I know it's been a little while, but things, life happens, as you know. Anyway, things are going to start moving now. It's going to be pretty exciting, and I'll do an update as soon as I start doing the membrane trap of how I build the boxes and going forward from there. So thanks for hanging in there, guys. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Give me a like if you like, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks, guys. See you.